So how can you use the iPad storage instead of iCloud storage? So let's explain that. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Now on your iPad, you just need to go to your settings and tap on your name at the top of the list and continue to the iCloud section. And in there, you can check out your storage situation and see what's exactly taking up the storage. But the point is that you need to stop the iCloud synchronization. So, for example, you go to the iCloud photos and turn it off, which just means that every single picture you now capture on your iPad will be stored on your local storage. It doesn't get uploaded to iCloud, it's just not being used. And you have to go through this one by one to specifically decide which service and app can access your iCloud. For example, there's the mail, notes, messages, and much more. And by default, most likely it's all gonna be automatically synced with the iCloud. To be honest, I keep some of the things enabled like notes and messages. Those are like very small files, which I have no problem of uploading to iCloud. Like it just gets synced very quickly. It doesn't take up a lot of storage. But for example, iCloud photos, I have it turned off because it just causes so much confusion for me and I have no idea which photo is local and which is on the cloud. You might also consider the iCloud Drive to turn it off if you want to, but that's also kind of simple to distinguish between, as you can open up the Files app of your iPad and see the locations, right? You can specifically go to the local storage and go to the iCloud storage. And if you want to stop using it, you just don't put anything on the iCloud, right? So it kind of needs to be set up specifically app by app and according to your preferences. So I hope that I was able to help you out with this. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments, but I'm going to wrap up the video. Thanks a lot for your support and watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.